Let's go get that money. All right, guys, we're at 5 Dragons Grand, and here's the progressives. And I've never played this one before, so we are gonna see what we can do here. We're gonna do dollar bets for a little bit with $20 in the machine. Let's see what's gonna happen here. Come on, let's get something here. I think we need 3 of those. All right, there's a little something, something. See what that is? A big $8. Come on. Must have to get those in a row. Come on. Another 20 in here. $12. Come on. There we go. Yay, I got a bonus. That was a $20. I got $20. Now we're going to go into the jackpot feature. Okay, now come on. Something good. Come on. Oh. Okay. Now I gotta pick a game. So I tell you what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go with the 15 free games. not too bad. Gives me something a little bit more to play with now. Okay. Now let's see if we can get that again. Go back down to $1. Right, I think I'm going to cash that out, take my $40 and we'll go put it in something else and see if we can get something else to hit too. So thank you guys so much for watching.